But you have like the wavy original brick, and then they switched it to this flat brick. It's just right here in the corner. They're my favorite. That one's my favorite. Hello, hello. Welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new, my name is Alicia and I am so excited to hang out with you today. We are doing a full Disneyland vlog and I am making this intro in the line to Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway because it's already been a crazy morning. But we were here a few nights ago, but I wanted to do like a separate one so it could be just a Disney-centered vlog. So we're doing Disneyland today, and tomorrow will be Disney California Adventure. So I'm probably gonna combine those two into one. Unless they're super long, we'll see. We have Jacob, Dalen, Mom, Dad, and my brother and his girlfriend. So we have the whole family here, and this is basically the first stop of the day. We arrived at like 9, walked through Main Street, took some pictures, and now we're about to ride Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. So anyway, it's gonna be a super fun 2 days, so let's get started. See, do you see Mickey Mouse?
Be back in a jiffy to pick you all up. Look how we get to go home. Oh, that's right, smaller guest. Now. Go to 15.
That'll be fine, yeah. the third verse, so we got to hear that during the 70th, which was cute. And then we saw Peter Pan. It was like a 25-minute wait. So that's where we're at now. We're in Fantasyland. Going on Peter Pan because I feel like it's been really low this trip, but which is weird because it's normally an hour at all times. Also, I've seen like 4 plaids today. There's like 2 right there, and then there's one that was just walked that way. I didn't know anybody though.
It could also just be the Walt YouTuber in the 70th floor.
Come on, everybody, here we go! Got you now! Blast you, Peter Pan!
Okay, so remember how I said Peter Pan was like 20 minutes? No. It ended up being about 40, which still wasn't bad because it's such a cute ride, but sometimes I forget how short it is. So we did Peter Pan and then walked around. I did a couple pin trades that I will show you, but we are now at the Hungry Bear restaurant, so we are all grabbing lunch. I ended up finding 2 tables right next to each other in the shade, so that was perfect. But here are the little pin trades. Wait, okay, so I did one, and I was asking the cast member, and apparently it's, let's see, there it is. So it's a villain heel collection. So I thought that would be a good trading pin. So that one was really cool. And then I didn't know I wanted this collection, but I started to find the nesting dolls. Okay, and they're way cute. So I think we're gonna be collecting them. So we got a Merida. And then I think this is Aurora. But like, yeah, I know that's totally Aurora, but I think these are way cute, so I'm gonna try to see if I can collect those. So anyway, now we're at Hungry Bear. We're gonna grab some lunch, and then I don't know what we're gonna do afterwards. I really want to get on Tiana's because it is hot, but the line is like 70 minutes, so I don't know if we're gonna do that now. Or we might head over to like Space Mountain and do that so far, but honestly, I'm looking, wait, there's a duck.
It's open, go down there, guys. Don't even worry about it.
I'm literally obsessed with all the park ducks. They're so cute. There's another one. Hello, baby.
Not spending extra. No, and you can just leave your plate.
Hello.
Somewhere there, like, just leave them open. This feels wrong. It does feel wrong. I know, because we're so used to cleaning up.
They're so cute. Wait, be nice. There's a duck right there. Okay, was that enough duck content? I literally want to pet one, but I'm not about to stick my hand down there and have it bite me. So, anyway, we're gonna eat some lunch and then go do some more rides after this. Ooh, we're in the line for Space Mountain. I got the strawberry pineapple swirl Dole Whip. It's so good. What did you get?
Mango pineapple.
Mango pineapple, which is also delicious. We just finished with Space Mountain, and now we are working our way over here because Indiana Jones is like 40 minutes. So got our Dole Whip, and I think we're gonna go wait in line now. Are they coming?
in our annual Skipper Art
Guess
competition.
where?
The winning piece is Banana in the Savannah.
So we got our Dole Whip and we were gonna go to Rise of the Resistance, but then Indiana Jones wasn't that long. So we went to Indiana Jones, which actually was pretty quick, like half an hour. And now we're on the Jungle Cruise.
You will see one of the scariest sights in the jungle. Yeah, it's gonna be the Temple of the Forbidden Eye. And folks, inside that very temple, they say Dr. Indiana Jones himself is searching for the world's lost greatest treasure. I really don't know why he's looking in there when I'm clearly standing right here. Now, over 20 feet in the air. But luckily for us, we're only 15 feet away, so that tiger's gonna go right over. You know, folks, it's a funny thing. A lot of people think that that's... And now right there is my friend Bertha. Everybody say, hi, Bertha! You know, it's pretty rare that you see this every day, but it's a sign of lions rushing over a sleeping zebra. You know, so nice of them. Oh, man, you know, he must be just to that side of the fire. Oh, 2-8. Nah, yeah, folks, you know...
There's no talking to him.
Yeah. No, we ran over there for you.
You know, though, I might be able to get him on the other side.
Yeah.
Ooh, I like that shirt. Actually, that's a really cool shirt. Those guys are way cute. Are you watching them make stuff? Those are cute though. They are mean. Yeah, they are very mean. Oh, oh, don't touch.
Once again, here's Devin from the Hot Sauce 7 performing Big Chief.
Hi. Did we just pick two?
Yeah.
Okay.
You pick two, and if you don't like the pins, you don't have to trade.
Alright. Let's try 6. Alright. And 24. Wait, he's cute. Is that a boo? It looks like a boo from Aladdin.
Yeah, it is. Mm-hmm.
I think I'll trade for that one.
Fill your bottle.
Digest carpet.
Incoming transmission from Ray. BB-8, is everyone assembled? Shouldn't you be at track prep? For cruise.
Are you and your team ready? Affirmative. Engines are hot. Red 2, blue flag, report. Red 2, check.
Blue flag starting right.
Affirmative.
The ride broke down. Literally as we were on that, the ride broke down. now we're just hanging out. So now we're just gonna hang out. All the lights are on. The music stopped. It's kind of weird, but I don't know. And the parade comes.
It is possible.
Hi. Oh, you have the 50th and the 55. That's cool. And then that should be the 60 because it's silver. That's really cool. The Fantasyland portraits. Those are precious.
I just spoke to Walt.
We found terraces at the
Look how cute.
Dude, I knew that if you were.
Sean does not really have a shy.
Proposed layout of Disneyland. So they were gonna have like a pony ride, a circus. Frontierland is still there. Mickey Mouse Club. And then, so you have Fantasyland over there tomorrow, and then a True Life Adventure, whatever that is. That's 47 acres? 45 acres?
September 12th,
Oh, 1953.
25th, 53.
So just like a week later, 2 weeks later.
7th.
That's crazy.
Different day.
It's all the different renditions within like 2 weeks of each other.
Hello everyone, we invite you to the back lobby to experience our pre-show of our feature presentation, Walt Disney Magical Life. This pre-show shares experiences of individuals who had the privilege of working with Walt Disney. If you're from reminders before the show begins, come through the center doors of
Oh,
the
those are
House.
so cool. The Pirate's Lair, that's amazing. And then there's like an actual map. Oh, there was an Edison Square. Okay, this is so cool. Like, I love these little pictures. This is awesome. Oh my gosh, that's so precious.
Was that the person? She has my back? She has my back, right?
Totally. No, she told me.
She has my back? Okay. Okay, good. So ask me the toughest question that you know about Disney history, and I'll put you up.
Yeah, probably gotta leave around like 5.
They say that Hollywood is a town built on dreams, and one of its greatest dreamers was Walt Disney. His life was filled with both exhilarating success and heartbreaking setbacks. But he never gave up. He just kept moving till tomorrow. The story of Walt's life is truly a magical one.
Well, my greatest reward, I think, is that I've been able to do this wonderful organization, and also to have the public appreciate and accept what I've done all these years. That is a great reward.
Thank you
for joining us during the Disneyland Resort 70th.
You might actually follow this right here.
What's that? No?
And you will never be.
We're in line for the Haunted Mansion, and it has been a hot minute since I hopped back on here. I don't even know where we went. We did Tiana's, and we waited 500 hours for Tiana's.
Somebody was an angry elf.
I was not an angry elf, but it was hot, and the sun was directly on me the whole time, and it was very, very hot, and it was just horrible. But then, after Tiana's, what did we do? What did we do after Tiana's?
Thunder Mountain.
We did Thunder Mountain after Tiana's. It was like a quick 20-minute thing, and then after that, they started walking to Star Wars.
Rise of the Resistance.
So we did we got in line for Rise of the Resistance. We did the whole Rey section. We got on the boat.
Made it to the docking bay.
We made it to the
prisoner-
stormtroopers.
Recruit transport.
Yeah, we made it in the recruit transport, and then literally just ride broke down. So we have a fast pass for that, and we're gonna go back and do that. And then after that, we walked up to the front and did the Walt Disney Life thing, which was really, really cute. So if you're ever in Disneyland and want to do the Walt show, I really enjoyed it. The whole backstory was just really, really good. And then we ended up at Tiana's for dinner, had some gumbo, jambalaya, all the good stuff. And now we are in line for the Haunted Mansion. It's like a 20-minute wait. So now we're gonna do Haunted Mansion. And update. I also forgot to mention, we got fully soaked on Tiana's.
Yep.
So I was in the third row, and my right shoe is completely soaked and was like sloshing the whole time afterwards, and my left shoe is dry. So I'm in a sweatshirt because I'm freezing because my feet are still wet, and everyone else has like put on sweatshirts and sweatpants because we're all still a little wet and cold. Anyway, we did quite a few rides after that. And then, what else do we have? I don't know, I think that's it. Now we're at Haunted Mansion, and then we're gonna go back and do Rise for our Fast Pass, and then I think we're gonna watch Fantasmic. We need to see Jacob. And I think that's it. So, there's the update. Daughter was way better.
She in her head, but not in reality.
I think you're lying.
Betrays an aura of foreboding, almost as though you sense a disquieting metamorphosis. Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination? And consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows and no doors. And a way out. Of course, there's always my way. Old crypts all over the world. Actually, we have 999 happy haunts here. But there's room for 1,000. Any volunteers? And no flash pictures, please. We spirits are frightfully sensitive to bright lights. We have been unavoidably detained by Frankie's spirits. Kindly remain seated in your doom buggy, please. We will continue our tour.
So we got out of Haunted Mansion and now we are back at Rise of the Resistance. We're just waiting for my brother to come join us. And then we're gonna go use our Fast Pass Lightning Lane to get on Rise of the Resistance, and then hopefully it doesn't break down on us, and then probably some shopping, and then we're gonna get a seat for the second round of Fantasmic. They just got here. Here we go.
50 minutes. Personnel, this is your final call on board.
The prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
They move for the first time in like 4 years. Oh my gosh.
Imagination to conjure up a spectacular world of magic and fantasy. We're just 30 minutes away from Fantasmic.
There's no way. Can't see anything. Hello from future me. A little bit of a jump scare because I'm editing this video right now and I did not do any kind of outro, which, looking back, makes sense because we left the park at like 12:30 in the morning and I was way too tired and falling asleep on the way home, and we had to wake up to go to DCA the next day. So I'm just here to close out the vlog, but there's a couple things I wanted to note just because the last half of the Disney days just get crazy. It gets dark, I come to life, it gets lively, it gets a lot of fun, and the night just ends before you know it. But actually a couple things to note. One, Tiana's food, absolutely incredible. Just the spices and everything, that is almost equal to Bengal barbecue if you know me. I thoroughly enjoyed it. Two, if you go during the 70th anniversary or during the summer, honestly, I don't know when it's gonna end, get the coconut cheesecake from Jolly Holiday because it was like the best cheesecake. Honestly, one of the best treats I've had at the Disneyland park, and we ate that while watching Fantasmic and it was so good. Three, Fantasmic, it's amazing. Doesn't matter where you watch it, if it's in Hollywood Studios or if it's in Disneyland, it's good. Hollywood Studios is longer and more of a production because they have more space to do it. So personally, I like that one a little bit more. The story is a little bit better, but I loved the pirate ship on like the Fantasmic in Disneyland. I thought that was really cool and very unique. So loved that and watched the fireworks. And then next thing, oh my gosh, Rise of the Resistance. You heard me talking in there, but at the scene where like the guns shoot out the window as you drive by, they moved, and my husband and I freaked out because we have ridden that so many times in the last 5 years and they have never moved. They moved during the very first time we rode it, and that was February of 2020. And I thought it was so cool. And then all the next times we rode it, I don't know if they were having mechanical issues and trying to figure out how to get it to really work as people go through on the ride, but they've never moved up until now. So we freaked out a little bit because that is one of the coolest parts of Rise of the Resistance. So we were really excited to see that move again. So that was just amazing. Okay, and then that was really all that I wanted to catch up on. Fantasmic was amazing. Food is amazing. Grabbed a sweatshirt. Just all in all, it was a great night. We got home way too late. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you very shortly in the California Adventure vlog. Bye!